guys, I'm Coach Benjo. Welcome to Fitness Camp Bulacan. And I'm here with Maridi Gonzalez.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Yeah, welcome to our vlog. And ang gagawin namin ngayon is hip and butt workout. Requested by Lindy from M&A Rangers. Yun, si Sister Lindy nag-request sa akin para magkaroon daw siya ng firm hip, mag-build ng muscle. Yun yung i-demo ngayon ni Maridi.
Yes.
Yan. So, kita-kita nyo naman, so sexy. Okay?
Subscribe na lang kayo guys dun sa vlog namin. And insert na lang din namin yung Instagram handle para ma-follow nyo rin yung social media accounts namin.
Yes. And shout out to my team sa YT, Team FISHDAAN, M&A Rangers, Team Grow As One, and KIMPOTZ TV. Hello to all YouTubers.
Hi guys!
Let's start the
Let's
workout.
go.
Okay guys, we will be starting by doing dynamic stretching or warm-up. And these are the benefits. Okay? The benefits of dynamic stretching is when you warm up properly and then stretching, readies your muscle for the aerobic exercise or intense exercises. This helps minimize the potential muscle tears and injuries. Yun. Kung may proper warm-up and exercise and stretching routine ka, magkakaroon ng elasticity at flexibility ang iyong tendons and ligaments. Yan, para hindi ka madaling mapunitan ng tendons, muscle at ligament. Okay girls, one benefit is a good warm-up dilates your blood vessels, ensuring that your muscles are well supplied with oxygen. So, halimbawa, nag-workout ka ng walang warm-up, mas madaling mangalay yung muscles mo kasi hindi prepared para dun sa intense workout or sa workout na gagawin mo. So, kailangan mo ng magandang warm-up para ma-prepare yung muscles mo at magkaroon siya ng magandang blood supply. Another benefit of warm-up is it also raises your muscle temperature for optimal flexibility and efficiency. Kapag mayroon ka magandang warm-up, pine-prepare nito yung muscles natin para maging flexible at mag-respond dun sa mga exercises na gagawin natin nang hindi tayo mai-injury. By slowly raising your heart rate, the warm-up also helps minimize stress on your heart. So, pagka nag-warm up ka kasi bago ka mag-workout, hindi ka nabibigla. Naranasan nyo na ba yung nag-workout kayo bigla nang walang warm-up? Ganun yung experience na parang madali kang mapagod. So yung heart mo, parang nasa-shock siya. So kailangan mo talaga ng magandang warm-up para yung heart mo ma-prepare din for a workout. The side-lying leg raise. It targets the outer part of our thighs and also the glutes. So yung mga gusto talaga magpa-sexy, isa to sa best exercise na pwede nyong gawin para mag-build ng muscle dun sa outer part ng hip area natin. Okay, just make sure na straight lagi yung legs at knees natin. Okay, at may proper posture tayo. Diretso lagi yung likod. Okay, next is glute bridge with hip abduction. So ito, wini-work yung hamstring muscle natin, yung sa likod ng legs natin na muscle. Yan, saka yung lower back muscle natin. Siyempre, involves yung abdominal muscle natin kasi nagko-contract siya habang tinataas natin yung hip natin. at yung glute. Okay, parang similar to sa squat. And this is the advanced version. Okay, when you bridge up, make sure na naka-tiptoe. Okay, then squeeze your glutes. Yan, yung next is the fire hydrant. So, kailangan pag raise nung leg mo, ipopose mo ng 2 seconds dun sa ibabaw para tamaan yung hip area. Yan, tapos make sure na naka-stretch yung body mo, huwag kang tatagilid pag tinataas mo yung legs mo. Para tamaan din yung core muscle. Okay, yung donkey kicks, ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang workout para sa glutes or dun sa butt niyo. Kailangan lang, pag nag-kick up kayo, dun talaga papunta sa ceiling diretso. Okay, para tamaan talaga yung puwet ninyo. Or para tamaan talaga yung butt ninyo, yung muscle, mag-work siya. Okay, 5 each side. Yan, ito tawag ko the diamond kasi parang nagpo-form ka ng diamond while doing a side plank. So yung side plank, it works your core. At the same time, yung balance nyo and yung hip area para magkaroon ng muscle or mag-build ng muscle, magkaroon ng tambok, maging sexy kayo.